Hi library families, it's Miss Sarah from the Isville Idea Lab and Library. Thank you for joining me today for our STEAM video. STEAM stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, Art, and Math, and I'm going to show you one of our robotics kits that can help support STEAM learning at home. So this is our Sphero robot. Sphero is a circular ball robot that you can drive around or code to do some pretty cool things. They also come with this little bumper just to protect them. If you feel like putting it on, you can. And this is the little charger, so it'll sit just right on there and it will charge. I do recommend fully charging it before you try playing with it. Sphero will light up blue once he's connected to your iPad. And we use the Sphero EDU app to do some block-based coding with him. So it opens up like this. There's a lot of options with Sphero. Another option is the drive function. So this will operate Sphero like he's a remote control car. You can change his color and then drive him around using the little joystick function. Something that's really fun to do with this is to create an obstacle course or to try to knock something over. You can try doing this with the block-based coding as well as the drive function and see how they differ. Thank you so much for joining me for today's STEAM video. You can borrow this kit at the library if you would like to explore at home some more, and we hope to see you soon. Bye.